Hey, the first time I heard true surround immersion at home, it wasn't subtle. And that's exactly what happened the moment I powered on the AVR-X1700H. This is for the person who sat through movie nights feeling like something was almost there. For the one who hears bass that doesn't quite rumble, dialogue that doesn't quite anchor, and atmospheres that feel flat instead of present. Before we go any further, check the current price and stock. Receivers this capable don't stay still, and every night you wait is another one that won't feel as alive as it could. You know that moment when your old gear just strained to keep up? When an epic scene played and you could feel the impact missing. That subtle disconnect between what you saw and what you heard, that was the whisper telling you it was time to leave compromise behind. From the first second the X1700H woke up, everything changed. The sound didn't just fill the room, it anchored it. High channels opened up space above and around me, dialogue became tactile instead of distant, and every rumble and whisper suddenly felt intentional. Once you feel what true Dolby Atmos and DTS:X can do, your old setup starts to feel like a rehearsal, not the real show. Picture this: engines roar from behind you, rain doesn't just fall, it envelops you, and music hits with nuance you didn't realize was missing. Even simple TV shows start to feel cinematic. And that built-in HEOS? It means you don't just listen to sound, you live in your playlists, room to room, without clunky connections or guesswork. And if you're hesitating, thinking maybe you could wait for something cheaper or almost this good, notice this: every time you come back to comparisons, you keep circling back to the experience you actually want. That's loss aversion speaking. You've felt flat audio before, and you know you don't want it again. One surprise benefit that almost no one mentions until they live with it: voice control integration with Alexa makes day-to-day listening feel effortless. You don't reach for a remote, you command your audio, and it responds. That seamlessness becomes part of your routine, and you don't realize how nice it is until you have it. You feel depth in every scene you play, sound that envelops you, you hear details you missed before, you enjoy music everywhere in your home, you take pride in gear that actually performs. It's not overwhelming to set up, it's not limited to movies. Comparison loops eventually slow you down. You've lived with ordinary audio long enough to know the difference between sound that's just present and sound that's felt. You know what it's like when your room actually becomes part of the experience, and once you've felt that, delaying it only feels like postponing the best part of watching again. So if you're ready to stop settling for flat playback and step into audio that actually keeps pace with how you think, watch, and listen, check that price, check the stock, and make the call. AVR-X1700H doesn't just output sound, it delivers presence. And honestly, you're ready for that.